Brett here. What's going on? I'm down here at my client Brandon's property. This is his 7th Section 8 rental. He is adding them like crazy. This is a 3-bedroom unit, and we already have a tenant lined up, $1,200 a month, 100% Section 8. This is a really one-of-a-kind property, guys. Brandon got into this for $66,000. The rehab here was $4,000. So he's all into a property for $70,000 that is going to bring in $1,200 a month. The math on that is unbelievable. Come on in, I'll show you what we've done and why this is such a good investment. So I know a lot of you who reach out to me and who want to get into Section 8, you want to buy things that have a low acquisition cost, right? And there are unbelievable deals out there like this. And we can find them 100%. You just have to know what you're looking for. And then once we find these properties, you just have to have the right team to come in and take care of them. So we came in here, we painted the unit. We still need to do trim work. We still need to do some small things. We have a Section 8 inspection lined up. We'll come in here before the Section 8 inspection, touch up everything else that needs to be done. We did some plumbing work. We did some flooring work. We did everything that needs to be taken care of for the Section 8 inspection. Rough, and then we'll come in and tighten it up right before the inspection to make sure it's good to go. But one thing we didn't do in here is we didn't put new carpets in. And something that people tell me all the time is, Rhett, you need to put new carpets into houses. And every time there's a tenant turnover, and you don't. And the tenant that lived here before Brendan acquired it took really good care of the carpets. And as we walk through here, I'll show you what we did where it's more evident, but all of these carpets were completely shampooed, okay, and vacuumed. So they look brand new, they look great. Right now we're in bedroom number 1, which is a good sized bedroom, nice big closet. So it just goes to show you, you don't need to replace the carpets every time there's turnover in units. The reason we do it is because when we put carpet in units, they fly off of the rental market, because the people that are moving into these homes have young children. I know I talk about it often, but because a mother walks in here with their kids and they start playing on the floor and they love the carpet, it's comfortable, they take these units very quickly. So that's one of the reasons why we do it. Now, budget has to do a lot with it, and what our budget is for the unit, and there's a lot of factors. But it just goes to show you that you don't have to replace the carpets all the time. So we come out of bedroom number 1, we come out of the living room, and we have our kitchen, all brand new flooring in here, brand new subfloor in here as well. Countertops and cabinets look good. What we will do is we will go through on our final touch-up and make sure everything's lined up here, make sure everything's lined up here, okay? Make sure everything opens good, and make sure that all this stuff passes Section 8, all right? So all that stuff will be tightened up. Off of the kitchen, across from bedroom number 1, we have bedroom number 2. Again, more evident in here that all this was shampooed and redone, but looks brand new, looks really nice. Good size bedroom, guys. Good size bedroom. When you think about being into a property for $70,000, it's gonna rent for $1,200 a month. It's just, and it's in this good of shape. It just shows you the deals are there. You just have to know how to find them and where to look. And that's where me and my team come in. If you guys want to do this, and you want to find these deals, and you want to be able to not only find them and buy them, but the hardest part about this, onboarding them and successfully cash flowing them for years, send me an email, guys, in the description below, and we'll get you started. You can use my team, and we'll literally look at these things together. So coming through bedroom number 2, guys, back through the kitchen, really good sized kitchen, okay? One big thing we ran into here was with plumbing. So we put new PEX piping in here, and all this needs to be cleaned up, of course, but that was something that we did here. We're gonna end up changing that out to a GFI as well. We'll do that when we bring our final through here. But in here, guys, bedroom number 3, this is what you would consider the master. Back of the house, it's gonna be quiet. It's gonna be separate from the 2 kids' rooms at the front of the house. Looks really nice, and nice and private and quieter in the back of the house compared to the front. But it also, right across the hall, has our bathroom. Nice bathroom, good size, stand-up shower in here, new flooring in here. and just looks really good. It's a nice full bath. So we know that the tenant will be really happy with this, and there's a lot of upgrades in this unit, guys. For it being a fresh turnover, it really came out good. So I'm definitely happy with this in regards to where it's at and the kind of attention that it got on the Section 8 market. So like I said, this is Brandon's 7th Section 8 unit. He has 8 total, and he's under contract for a large 7-unit apartment building. So he'll have about 14 doors here in the next 30 days. We started about 14 months ago. So it's extremely possible. Brandon's never seen any of his houses. As insane as that is, it's so true. If you guys haven't heard him talk, find his interview on the channel. And he could talk a little bit about what it's been like and how he has found so much success. But guys, if you want to be this successful, it's so possible. You just need to do it with the right people. There's so much bad information out there. If you want to get started, do things the right way, send me an email in the description below. We'll get you started. See you next time.